welcome to the introduction of my new series. In this series, I'm going to teach you how to do the Japanese accent, or English, as it is often called. In this introduction video, I'm going to talk about what it means to speak with an accent. But before we start, I need to clarify the purpose of this series. Why are you doing this? When I see non-Japanese speakers make fun of or try to imitate the Japanese accent, I get frustrated because they could be doing it much more accurately. If you're going to make fun of someone, at least do it right. Now, let's begin. What is an accent? When I use the word accent, I'm going to be referring to the patterns of pronunciation, pitch, tone, emphasis, and/or intonation that are characteristic of speakers, often of certain groups. The most crucial point in this definition is that this definition does not mention anything about grammar or vocabulary. This implies that an accent is something that can differentiate speakers from different backgrounds when they read the same set of sentences. For example, different people can read the following definition of accent from dictionary.com verbatim without violating the rules of grammar, and their accents are the only clue as to their linguistic backgrounds. A mode of pronunciation as pitch or tone, emphasis pattern or intonation, characteristic of or peculiar to the speech of a particular person, group, or locality. My point is that in this series, I am not going to be talking about word choices or grammatical errors that are typical of a certain group. It is of course possible to define the term in different ways, but the point of this introduction video is to clarify that this is the definition I'm going to be using in this series. Finally, here are 2 facts about accents you should know before we end this video. 1. Every single speaker has an accent, regardless of where they come from, and that includes people who claim not to have an accent. 2. Both native and non-native speakers of a language have accents. Goodbye.